Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Mi Bluetooth Sports earphones, and I will show you how you can connect them with your Apple Watch. So at first we have to turn them into the pairing mode, and you have to take a look here because we will find here the indicator, white indicator, and to turn them on and move them into the pairing mode, we have to click on and turn on this multifunction button. So let's make it right now. Click and hold it for a few seconds. Keep holding. Okay, it's not working, so let's release and then tap again. Click and hold right now. Okay, right now the indicator is blinking, so we can release that button and move to the Bluetooth settings on our Apple Watch. Go for the Bluetooth settings, and then we have to turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and we will find our earphones. In this place there's some kind of the Chinese words, so we have to tap on them once. And as you can see, after a few moments we are finally connected. And when you tap on the information icon, you can disconnect them or just completely forget. And that's what I'm going to do right now. And that's how we can connect them to your Apple Watch. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.